In today's video, I will show you how to connect devices and apps to Strava. So let's get started. First, you need to open Strava app on your phone. You will land on the home screen in the bottom right corner. Tap on the U icon to go to your profile. Once you are on your profile, look at the top right corner and tap the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings menu, you will see two options: Connect an app or device and Manager apps and devices. Tap on Manage apps and devices. Here you can connect to popular platforms like Apple Health, Garmin, or a smartwatch. Just tap on the one you want to connect. You will then be prompted to log into the account associated with that app or device, and once logged in, Strava will automatically sync your data. Now you need to connect other devices if your app or device isn't listed. You need to scroll to the bottom and tap I have a different one. From there you can connect it manually to Strava. Now that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.